and welcome back to another video. And I have a special guest with me here today. Say hi, Levi.
Hi.
So I have Levi here with me today because we went to Burlington Coat Factory to get him a few clothing pieces that we wanted to get him because he's obviously getting bigger and he needs more clothes now. And I decided for him to be here with me so we can do this little haul. And he didn't really, I guess, see what we were getting because obviously he wanted to be with his aunt that was with us, Dali, and they were obviously, walking around and he wasn't really paying attention. So I guess it's like a reaction to see if he even reacts to it. But I just wanted him with me here. So we're going to start, guys. So it's not like that much. This is the bag. So the first thing I'm grabbing here is, okay, let's see. It is this 2-piece set. And it's so cute. It says Savage. And it's like this beautiful, cool, like tie-dye print. So cute. Do you like this color, Levi? You like the blue color, right? Honestly, I feel like Levi's favorite color is blue because he always tries to choose blue over all the other colors. You're showing it too? Good job, Levi. There you go. All right, Levi, we're going to put this one here. Wait, I'm going to put it here for now, okay? The next one I'm grabbing is a 2-piece, but it's 2 tops. It's an orange shirt. Levi, you want to show them? Show the camera. It's an orange shirt, and then turn it around so they can see. And then the other one has sharks on it. Look, Levi, did you see it? Look, it has sharks. Wow, so cool.
What do you do for yourself?
Yeah.
For yourself.
5 sharks? I think there's more than 5, but it's from the brand Lee. Oh, actually, let me tell you guys the price. So this one was $10.99. And this one was, wait, Levi, I need to tell them the price. Okay, wait. Let me see the price first. And this one was $7.99 for the 2 shirts. Thank you, Levi. I want to hear a little one crying. Wait a second, guys. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Isaac was crying. So the next piece is this 2-piece. It's an Adidas shirt with these cute pants. And these are like kind of camouflage, I think. Actually, it looks like it has, is it animals? I don't know why, but it kind of looks like the tail of an animal. Wait, but we gotta still show them. Show them the shirt. Turn it around. Look. So it has the blue and the same design of this is on the pants. And this set was $14.99. You want to go put it over there? All right, Levi. And then this one is a 3-piece set. Oops. Oh, it's going to fall, Levi. All right, there we go. I guess Levi's doing the haul this time, guys. So this one brings a tank top or muscle shirt, whatever you want to call it. Put it up, Levi, so they can see better, like this. Like that. Okay, sit over here so that you can show it higher. And then turn it around so they can see the other shirt. And then this shirt is from the brand Echo Unlimited, I think is what it is. And then it has some shorts in the bottom. You want to put it away? Okay, thank you, Levi. I guess Levi's in a rush. All right, and this one is a dressier outfit.
Wow.
You like this one, Levi? And it brings the pants, and this is from Kenneth Cole. Oh, did I say the price for this one?
Huh?
The 3-piece set was $7.99, which is actually really, really good. Hey, Levi, we haven't finished showing them this one. They didn't see very well. So the shirt, and then the dressy short pants, which is perfect for the summer. And this is from Kenneth Cole 2-piece, and this one was...
Tippy, ha!
Levi, come on, they want to see. This one was $11.99. All right, Levi, we are almost done, Levi. And then we got him another Adidas shirt. I actually like the print of this one.
Oh, Mommy.
Wait, not yet, Levi. Don't show them that one. That one is going to be for last. So you guys can see. And then it just brings some shorts. 2-tone shorts. And this one was actually on sale for $10.99. And then this one, honestly, I think is my favorite outfit that we got. It is so cute. And it says hustle all over. What do you think about this one, Levi?
Bye-bye.
What do you think about this outfit? Do you like this one?
Yeah.
Isn't it cool, right? Oh, don't trip now. I really, really love this one.
I'm not in this one.
And the shorts are so cute.
Cute.
Yeah, Levi, let them know. Let them know that it's super, super cute. All right, and then, I'm so sorry, guys. Levi dropped you guys. So yeah, guys, so the last item we got is this wooden puzzles. And it's also a storage box, which is perfect because sometimes, like, I feel like it's hard to find places to store, like, your wooden puzzles. And this is perfect because when we do rotation for his toys. And I wanted to do this exact, like, toy because I've been seeing it in Amazon. And they're very expensive in Amazon. They're literally, like, sometimes up to, like, $15. And this was just $7.99. Levi, say $7.99. You don't want to say $7.99? Okay. Do you like your toy, Levi? Are you excited to play with the alphabet and the numbers? He literally ran away with it. But yeah, guys, let me push a little bit more back. But yeah, guys, that's basically all the items. I'm show you guys one more time so you guys can see. In case you guys... Oh, be careful. So this is this one. This Adidas one. I'll help you open that one, Levi. This outfit. The 3-piece. Pants. This other Adidas outfit. Wow, that's so cool, huh? The 2-piece tops. And this is like my second favorite. I know what, I like these kind of style outfits. And I cannot wait to probably do like a lookbook with these outfits for Levi. And the best part about having like 2-piece sets is the fact that you can obviously interchange them with other outfits and more neutral outfits. But I cannot wait for him to wear these. Levi, do you want to say bye to the camera? Come, let's say bye.
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this small haul from Burlington Coat Factory for my little big boy that keeps growing so much. Oh, okay, fine. Alright, Levi, let's say bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time. See you next time. Say, I love you guys.
I like girls.
Alright, guys, well, I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, bye-bye.
Mommy, hello.